So, you're thinking about banking with Lunar? Great choice. But is it really a good one? Let's dive deep and find out. Lunar, a neobank that's been making waves in the financial world, promises a seamless, digital banking experience. With its sleek app and attractive features, it's easy to see why it's gaining popularity. But before you make the switch, there are a few things you need to consider. Pros of Lunar. User-friendly interface. Lunar's app is designed with simplicity in mind. It's easy to navigate, even for tech novices. Competitive fees. Compared to traditional banks, Lunar offers lower fees on many services, such as transfers and withdrawals. Innovative features. From budgeting tools to investment options, Lunar offers a range of features that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Strong customer support. Lunar has a dedicated customer support team that's available to assist you with any questions or issues. Cons of Lunar. Limited physical presence. As a digital bank, Lunar doesn't have physical branches. This can be a disadvantage for those who prefer in-person banking. Potential technical issues. Like any digital service, Lunar can experience technical difficulties. While these are usually resolved quickly, they can be frustrating. Dependency on technology. Because Lunar relies heavily on technology, any major system failures could significantly impact your ability to access your funds. Is Lunar right for you? The best way to determine if Lunar is the right bank for you is to consider your specific needs and preferences. If you're comfortable with digital banking and value convenience and innovation, Lunar could be a great option. However, if you prefer a more traditional banking experience with physical branches, you may want to stick with a traditional bank. Key factors to consider. Your comfort level with digital banking. Are you comfortable managing your finances entirely online? Your need for physical branches. Do you frequently need to visit a bank branch? The importance of customer support. How important is it to you to have access to in-person customer support? The features you value most. What features are most important to you in a bank account? Lunar is a promising neobank with a lot to offer. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. By considering your individual needs and preferences, you can determine if Lunar is the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.